In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add an audio player to your website using Wix. This very simple procedure starts with you going to the Wix website. After you have successfully logged into your account, the first task is to choose the appropriate site to which you plan to add the audio player. Having chosen your preferred site, the next step to engage in is adding elements to it. You will find the option to add elements at the left side section of your editor. Precisely, search for a button with the label Add Elements. Upon spotting this button, click on it and a new menu with a host of options will pop up. Your attention should now shift to the Video and Music option on the newly formed menu. Navigate and click on this particular option. Your action will expose an array of sub-options, but the most relevant to your objective is the Audio Players option. Without delay, click on this option in anticipation of the next step. Having activated the Audio Players option, a variety of audio player designs become visible. Carefully browse through these designs and select one that matches your website's theme. The choice of design is subjective, so choose one that resonates most with your brand. Now you should be viewing the audio player you've added to your site. To customize its content, direct your cursor to this player and click on it. A Change Track button should be noticeable at this point. Click on this button to initiate the process of changing the pre-existing audio file. At this junction of the tutorial, it's time to upload your audio. There are two ways of doing this. If you already have the audio file you want to use ready, click on the Upload Track option and proceed to upload your audio file from your local storage. On the other hand, if your desired audio is an online resource in the MP3 format, the process is slightly different. Instead of uploading a track from your local storage, you would choose the option labeled External MP3. After selecting this option, you will be required to paste in the URL